So I started playing the World of Warcraft Dragon uh, new expansion, and I liked it until uh, I got on to flying. My buddy Dave asked me, "Hey, you're not flying?" And I'm thinking, "No." And he said, "Okay, you'll get it in a little bit." And here I am thinking, I'm waiting for me to get to flying. And then I finally get the quest to get my mount. I get my mount. And I notice there's three little bubbles. And they explained to me that you have to wait to fly the dragon. You have to have those bubbles completely full. I'm like, what? Who the hell was on crack when they come up with this idea? I mean, seriously, I don't know what the hell you're smoking. Blizzard, you screwed the hell out of this one, man. We've done some serious stupid shit in the past. We've got reputation to fly. We've paid outrageous gold. But this shit where if you're in the middle of flying, you literally would just go if your bubbles run down. Don't matter whether you're in the middle of quest, and then you have to wait. Oh my God, if you're stuck somewhere, you have to wait until the bubbles fill up. Seriously? You couldn't give us flying on our mounts that we've all worked so hard to get? No. You stupid bunch of cheddar heads. Make us jump through hoops again, literally. So, Blizzard, you need to pull your head out of your ass as normal, kiss mine, and give us regular flying out there. What a bunch of dumbasses.